everyone and very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you our Improvers Solo Jive. This is practice routine number 8. This was originally taught in our online class on the 14th of November 22. So if you're looking for the full class, you need to head over to the video library. This is actually the second time of recording. The first time I recorded this, put it all into the video library, and then I realised afterwards there was no audio on about 5 or 6 videos I'd recorded. So I do apologise, it's taken me a little while just to come back and get those all re-recorded again. So here we are, let's get on with it. One basic ladies footwork: back, step, triple step, triple step. Reverse whip: back, step, triple step, cross step, triple step. Windmills: right and left and right and left. You could go in either direction. Spanish arms: back, step, triple step, and a walk, walk, and a little spin ending. One basic, rotating to face my left wall: back, step, triple step, triple step. Chicken walks: slow ones and quick ones. 2 side chassis to return to my space, and then a back rock with the toe, heel, cross, toe, heel, cross, toe, heel, cross, toe, heel, down, hold, T-tongue and out. Okay, let me do that all the way through. 5, 6, 7, and back, step, triple step, triple step. Reverse whip: triple step and a step, step, triple step, back, step. Windmills: arms if you wish. You can do as many of them as you want. You can even go around the other way. Spanish arms with a spin ending. One basic, rotate to face the left wall. Chicken walks. Quick ones: triple steps out and a back rock toe heel sequence. Toe, heel, cross, toe, heel, cross, toe, heel, down, 2, 3, T-tongue, triple step and a triple step. Remember that syncopation at the end. We've done all those steps before, but this was just another little routine, squeezing them all together. So that was originally from the 14th of November 2022. Thank you so much for watching. Just a short recap.